Hey everyone! In today's video, we are going to talk about how to create an EasyPaisa account. To create an EasyPaisa account, you have to install an EasyPaisa. After installing, you have to open EasyPay. Here, you will find two options, sign up and log in. So you have to click on sign up. You will find two more options here. The first is the basic account, in which you will have a limit of 50,000 per month. And to create this account, you will need two things. You should have a mobile number and information about CNAC. And the second option is the digital account. In this, you will have a limit of 25 lakh. And for this, you should have a mobile number that is registered on the same CNAC. Apart from that, you should have information about CNAC, proof of profession, and proof of income. You will have to take a live photo and do biometric verification. So I will select the second step from here. Now you have to enter your phone number here on which you want to create your account. You have to keep one thing in mind, that whatever number you're entering, that SIM should be in your mobile. Otherwise, you will have the problem of OTP fail. Your OTP code will not be automatically fetched. Now, you have to provide information about your ID card here. So you get two options here. Scan your CNAC key, and the second option will be enter CNAC details manually. So I will recommend you to select the second option, because if you scan your ID card, then our information is often not scanned properly. So we may have to face issues later. So you have to click on enter CNAC details manually from here. Now you have to enter your ID card number here. After entering your ID card number, you will get the next button below. So you have to click on the next button from here. Now you will get the option of enter CNAC date of issue here. So you have to type the date of issue of your ID card here. First, the date will come, then the month will come, then the year. After typing the date of issue, you will get the verify from Nadra button below. So you have to click on the verify from Nadra button. You have to wait a little here. Your information will be checked. Now you get the last step here. Here you will be asked, what is your mother's full name? So you have to select that. After that, the second option will come to you. What is your place of birth? So you have to select your city here. After that, you will get, what is your date of birth as per CNAC? According to the ID card, what is your date of birth? So you have to select your date of birth. So you will get the verify button below. You have to click on the verify button. Here you have to wait a little. Now you will get the option of enter 5-digit PIN here. So you have to enter a PIN like above and below of 5 hints. So after entering your PIN, you have to click on the next button below. Here you have to wait a little. So you will get the option of PIN successfully changed. So now you can see that your account has been created here. If you found this video helpful, do like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in next video.